Hi, we're headed on a road trip toward Mentone, Alabama, and we're out to look for abandoned houses or barns or places to metal detect. And so we're going to see if we can find any adventures today. Go with us, shall you? Right now, we're pulled over because I wanted to show you some windmills that I thought looked pretty cool. So I'm going to turn this camera around, let you see it before we head on. Actually, the gas tank is on empty, so we gotta find some gas before we go on our trip. So, turning this around. Pretty cool looking. I just love windmills. They're going pretty slow, but there. Mesmerizing. Alright, we're headed to find gas. So, that's pretty good out today. Really nice weather. Oh, it didn't stop. There we go. And this video camera has a light on it even in the daytime, and it's sort of blinding me, but still. Bumpy. They're just a little bumpy. Just hitting every bump and every nook and cranny. Yeah. See me throw up? Woo! What a pretty big tree over there.
That's Roper. I used to work there. They make stoves.
Huh.
For GE.
Nice.
Used to be on the assembly line.
On the assembly line. She worked at Roper on the assembly line. Find that a little interesting, don't you?
So exciting.
So exciting. Alright, let's see what we can find. I don't know if this would be moving too fast to show you. So I was just keeping it on me until we saw something. Oh, there's a stop sign. It's pretty smart to put a factory in the country in the middle of nowhere. I guess the land was probably cheap, is what I'm thinking. See if we can see some pretty mountain views. Has a lot of mountains around here and very pretty views. I'm going to turn it around. Looking at the mountains. The little countryside.
Put your windows down. You're not supposed to breathe the air.
I was outside filming the fire yesterday.
Yeah.
And you can also find the fire in Lafayette, Georgia.
See that? It's still smoking.
Wow. Turn that way and we can see it. Like, turn around. Let's view that over there. I filmed a huge fire in Lafayette, Georgia yesterday, which was really interesting. And they were trying to put it out since 2:30 yesterday, and I think it's 2 o'clock now. Yeah. And we're going to, it's still smoldering, and it's 2 p.m. now. They've been trying to put it out. It's been 24 hours. And it is still smoking over there. I'm sure they're just letting it die out now. I think the fire's out. You're just seeing the coals, the smoking, the heat from it. And I don't know what I'm saying, but I don't really care. I was like, why are you saying we need a mask when I was standing over there with it outside yesterday?
You should have had a mask on too.
I know, but it's really kind of too late for that. So, Georgia. Taking a little road trip. Hope that don't make you dizzy. There's no way to kind of steady. I'll try to steady this when I edit it, I suppose. Whee! So look on the YouTube video at Lafayette, Georgia. Huge fire, and you can see my video on that. You can see I got right up to the wall and it was huge. Probably not a wise thing to do. I didn't have any kind of clue what kind of factory it was, and it could have been a chemical for all I know. It did smell a little bit outside, but not that bad. There's a dead end sign. Hope I can't get it. There we go. And, this is Podunk, Georgia. Middle of nowhere, really. Nothing much to see. Just old houses and such, churches, and there's not much here. Oh, there it is right in front of me. See, it's still smoking. It's smoldering. See it to the left there. I'm trying to get away from the... We're going to go up to it and see what it looks like today. They might have it blocked off, but we'll see. Probably going to be the highlight of people's little adventures today. Wow. Yep, I think so. People want to go see it today. Some people didn't even know about it. They heard about it on the news. And it's pretty smoky. You can ride up right to it, I think.
Did they say what started the fire?
No. You weren't caught.
Good. Good. I can breathe now. Not that I should breathe that, but I can breathe.
Yes, please. Oh, you see, they have it blocked where I was riding all around this last night when the fire was going.
Was this where you were at?
No. You can go around it. Go to the right. Go to the right and...
Going to the left, aren't you?
Huh?
Still might trying to go back on the other side of it.
Well, we're going to go all the way around, hopefully. Some old factory that burned. Here's where I sat yesterday, and there was absolutely nobody on this side, and the fire was blazing
See,
right
that's
there.
What I thought. That Auto Custom Carpets, that's what I thought.
Uh-huh. So you can pull in here for just a second. This is where I was sitting yesterday, and there was nobody over here on this side.
Oh, really?
And it was blazing. If you could pull in so I can get a little picture and let people see it smoldering still. Right here's fine, good right here. And I might just get out for just a second and just get the picture of it outside there. And here is the smoldering smoke still. It's pretty big and messy still. The fire is out. Still polluting the air. Still, I don't know what kind of chemicals, but it's a carpet factory. Carpets. But it was shut down. It was just the residue chemicals, I'm sure. Look at all that smoke there. Alright, and now I'm ready to get back in the car. Go around to the other side. Alright, I'm going to turn this off now, and I'm going to, well, I don't know, maybe let's keep it be interesting. See if we can go around. Everybody's wanting a peek. Go to the left.
EPA emergency response.
EPA. EPA. Yesterday they had a train going through on a dinner cruise, and they had to stop the train pretty close and then call buses in to take those people back to Chattanooga, Tennessee. And I had just happened to stop right behind the bus, and I didn't know what was going on with the bus. So all of a sudden they stopped in the road. They were blocking traffic.
Oh, I still got it.
And you can go around and then go on the other side. See, still emergency vehicles here in the area. I'm trying to go around to every side so you can see. You want to pull in here for just a second? Right here. We'll get out and touch off, peek again. And I'm gonna see the emergency vehicles over here. Still, they got EPA there. Here's still the smoldering building. People are acting like they've never seen a fire before, but it is kind of fascinating, I suppose. Probably the highlight of this town's day and month and year. I think they came to monitor how much pollution, but what can you do? Alright, I'm going to do part 2. See you in a minute. Adios.